Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry for the very long break from 5 weeks almost. But I was busy with school, homeworks, etc. So we hear a new from Windows 10 that probably it's the bad, the baddest new for Windows 10. Like he says, Windows 10 is finished. Microsoft confirms version 22H2 is the last. This what means? It means no any new feature for Windows 10 until October 2025. This means only the current version of 22H2 Windows 10 is it be the final edition for Windows 10. This means that no any new feature will be released for Windows 10. If we go to the first release for Windows 10, and it was the 1507, it got released at 2015 729. This and the extend support. This is like um, enterprise edition, and it have support until October 14 2025. So this means that no any feature will be released. As we can see, 22H2 is the last and final edition for Windows 10. This means that Microsoft wants you to upgrade to Windows 11, so we have a little problem with the computers that support Windows 11. 28 the version, the almost last version, it supports until 2024 6.11. And the final edition, or 22H2, will be only supported on 2025 on October. This means that no any future no new versions will be released for Windows 10. Only security updates like patch a bug or security reasons. So yeah, Microsoft wants to upgrade you to Windows 11. This is a very short video, almost 3 minutes, but I want to inform there will be new videos from to the channel, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I take care.
Built an empire